Today we're going to talk about what to do after I get into a trade. What to do after I get into a trade. Welcome, traders. My name is David Stevenson. I'm with Monster Trading Systems. We provide trading systems, solution, training, and coaching to traders. Okay, so I get this question a lot. David, what do I do after I get into a trade? All right, I'm going to share my screen here. And for new traders, boy, with everything that's going on, right? We're trying to remember all our steps if we have steps, all right? And we've got our money on the line, right? And everything changes when we put our money into the market and start to trade. Everything we think we're going to do kind of fall by the wayside because our emotions take over. All right. It's not an easy task to trade, but we can certainly do it. What has worked for a lot of our traders is this little chart here. Um, Looks like a simple chart, but boy, is it effective. And it's called the four market phases. All right. So, just like a road map, you need a map, right? A road map if you're trying to get from point A, all right, to B, all right, from one city to the next. We need a roadmap for trading. So when we enter the trade, we need to know, all right, where we're going. And this little chart here, which is called the four market phases that every trader must know, is a really good way of helping us stay in the trade. So, what this is called the four market phases, and we have phase one here, phase two, phase three, and then phase four. All right. Phase one is the accumulation phase. Now, in some of our other videos, we've talked about support and resistance, and we're going to buy on the break of resistance. So, when we buy here, right, we're coming out of the accumulation phase into what we call the markup phase right here, phase two. All right, within the markup phase, we would have bought here. All right, so as long as we're in the markup phase, right, we haven't broken a support level, we just continue to hold our position. So there's nothing to fear, right? If we get near resistance levels and the price breaks resistance, we can add or just continue to hold. So if we get in here, as long as we're in the markup phase on the left side of the trade, we are fine. All right. We know where to exit the trade. All right. So this takes all of the emotions, well, a large majority of the emotions away from trading because we have a path. All right. We have our roadmap. So phase one is the right here accumulation. Phase two, markup. Phase three, distribution. Phase four is the markdown phase. We would sell, right, when the price breaks support right here. So this would be our trade. We would have bought here, sold here. So this is our map. We would have been out, and then it starts all over again down here. With the accumulation phase, we would wait for the price to break resistance right here, and then we would take that price up. All right. So you know it's simple but very important. Like here, redistribution, we know on this side of the chart here, all right, let me change these colors here. We know that on this side, on the right side, these are sellers, right? So we should not be on the right side, okay, on my right here. All right, so we should know that, hey, here we should be buying. We're in the markup phase, buying, 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 buying. Markdown phase, we should be out of the market. All right. We should be out, or what we call shorting. All right. So markup phase, we should be buying, buying, buying. All right. So we shouldn't have to guess to know, hey, what do we need to do next? All right, markdown phase, we should be out of the market. So we're going to buy on a break of resistance. And you guys will hear me say this over and over. Buy on a break of resistance, sell, exit, close the trade right here on a break of support, and we would be out. And then we would wait for the accumulation phase to start all over again right here. And we're going to buy here on a break of resistance here. All right. All right. Very simple. Very simple. So this is what we do after we get in here on the break of resistance. We just hold, and as long as we're in the markup phase, price break support will get in. Whether that support area is here, whether that support area is up here somewhere, all right, as long as the price keeps moving higher, doesn't break support, we keep holding on, and we can certainly add to the trade. Okay. All right. All right, guys, if you found any value in this video, go ahead and click on the next one. All right, guys, take care. Hope this helps. Bye bye.